fave if I'm not. Honestly, I really have to reintroduce myself. Like, I'm a completely different person. But I think I'm gonna have a separate video for that. Like, reintroducing myself, who I am today compared to my first YouTube video. I think that's gonna be a really cute video. But in today's video, we are going to be doing eyebrows. I wanna say the easiest hacks, and like just hacks in general. Get your eyebrows done. Like, whether you get them waxed or you get them threaded, or whether you just do them yourself, have it some type of maintenance. Like, when your eyebrows just grow and then you try to do your eyebrows when it's doing makeup, I promise you it makes it so much harder to do eyebrows. Like, have your eyebrows at least some type of plucked, tweezed, something before doing if you want to do like a makeup look, or at least have like a really snatched eyebrow look. That's really how I feel. So yeah, me personally, I don't do waxing because whenever I wax, I break out. Like, I have sensitive skin, so waxing really isn't for me. Waxing isn't for me. So I do threading. Threading hurts like a, but the end results are so tea, and I feel like it lasts so much longer. Like, I really feel like it's a difference rather when you do threading versus waxing your eyebrows. So let's just get right into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, okay? And honestly, just follow the shape of your eyebrows. Like, as you can see, I'm not doing nothing too crazy. I'm literally just shading in my eyebrows. Like, I'm going with the shape and I'm just shading it in. And then you make it as dark as you want. I'm like I said, I'm just following my eyebrow shape naturally. And then going from there. I don't be heavy. I'm not really heavy in the front. I usually won't put eyebrow pencil at all in the front. I'll just brush it to like distribute the pencil that's already in my brow. Cause I don't really like the dark brows. I like natural brows for real. The most I'll do is probably draw at the bottom, but then I'll use the spoolie part to brush it up. And then boom. And then I'll do the same thing. The spoolie basically helps just not make your eyebrows look harsh. Like you just took a pencil and drew that thing on. You get me? Like, that's what the spoolie part is for. And then when it comes to like shaping up, I'm gonna show y'all how I do that too. We're gonna scrape that thing to the wheels until I go back to Ulta. And I was supposed to go today. But basically when it comes to like doing my eyebrows, I just put some right here. And I put some right here because I don't like harsh eyebrows. So you'll see why I do that in a second. But basically, you just follow that line. I like to make it snatched, you feel me? So to make it snatched, you basically want to get it as close as possible. I kind of do this with this now because I'm so used to doing my eyebrows, but I never used to use this to do my eyebrows. Like, I would like put it on something and get like a brush and like, you feel me? But now, like, I do my eyebrows so much that I could just use this. But it's really all about your application. Like, how you put the concealer on is how your eyebrow will look. So it has to be as close as possible to your thing, your line. Boom, something like this. To like really get like that fine, you know, like you need that. Hashtag need that. I want that. I gotta have that. Okay? Come on, Brooklyn. So how you like them. They're all nice and sharp and da-da-da-da-da. You just gotta blend it out. Now, the key to blending, if you're gonna use a beauty blender, your beauty blender needs to be damp enough, like, so that the makeup spreads. Because, you know, concealer, especially if you have concealer and you leave it on for long enough, it'll begin to, so then it's gonna be harder for you to move it around and spread it around. So you really need to make sure you have a damp beauty blender. If you don't, basically, I would just wet my face, not wet my face, but use like a setting spray so that my face is wet enough to spread the concealer around. Because if you don't, like, I promise you, your concealer is just gonna be sitting on your face. Or like, if some of y'all realize sometimes, like when you see some people with makeup, or they do their makeup and you can still see like all that concealer around their eyebrow because it wasn't blended in enough. You feel me? Like, you gotta blend, like, you gotta blend it. And so with the point of putting the concealer in the middle, it's to kind of like fade out the beginning part so it doesn't look super harsh, like I said. And then I'll go back in with a spoolie and just brush that out. So yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows for my makeup. Yeah, this was a full tutorial on how I do my eyebrows for my makeup. Let me see if I can turn it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and, you know, just tuning in, being here, and coming back to my new fan base. So I am looking for a new name, a new Instagram name, if y'all can help me out. I feel like I'm stepping into my grown girl era, and I just feel like Itgmali, it's kind of like, I feel like we're all it girls. I love the it girl theory. But I don't know, like, I just kind of want to step into a different era for me. And I feel like Itgmali was an era. It was a great era. It was a great run. But I don't know, I feel like I'm stepping into my grown woman era now. You know, like, it's time for me to give up Itgmali. I'm thinking like Itgmali. It ain't even a big jump for real. I don't know, but it'll come to me. But if y'all can help me out in the comments section below, drop some names for me, please, what y'all think my new name should be, like my new social media name should be. But until next time, till we meet again. Oh, I need a new name for my fan base too. Till we meet again, y'all. But I'm thinking about calling y'all, I don't know, I'll think about it. It'll come to me. But thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Y'all stay safe. It's getting crazy out here in these streets. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But y'all stay safe and stay protected, okay? Stay guided, stay loved, stay blessed, okay? Until next time. Bye, y'all.